I get asked very often from clients, because their homes are typically in the age range where they're like, look, we know we need siding replacement. Our windows are kind of starting to fail as well. Is it a good time to do both? And the answer is, if you can afford it, yes. It's always a good time if you can integrate the window replacement with the siding replacement. It gives you the absolute best seal on your house. So short answer, yes. We also recognize that budget is a real thing. And so not everybody can budget at one time to do all the windows and siding. So I don't want people to think that, hey, you have to do it all at the same time or it's game over. It is very much okay to do one or the other and then come back at a later date. The nice thing with James Hardie siding is if we do the siding the way we do the trim around the windows, it makes it very easy for down the road window replacement, where you can just pop that Hardie trim off, the window installer can replace the window, get it nice and sealed up, and then put the trim back on and caulk it. And it's essentially like you did it all at the same time. With vinyl, it's a little different. If you have vinyl siding in your home and replace the windows, you're gonna have some aluminum capping, and it'll be color matched, so it looks good. But ideally, yeah, if budget allows, let's do both at the same time and give you a really good air and watertight seal.